Method 3. To find yp 1 by f of p q of x when q of x is equal to b into x power k is a polynomial form. A particular integral is yp is equal to 1 by f of d b into x power k. It is reduced to f of d to the form 1 plus minus q pi of d by taking out the lowest degree term from f of d. Then it can be written as 1 by 1 plus or minus pi of d b into x power k, that is equal to 1 plus or minus pi of d whole power minus 1 b into x power k. Here binomial expansion forms 1 plus x to the power of minus 1 is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x to the power of 4 and so on. Here second one is 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 1 is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4 and so on. Here 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 2 is 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube and so on. 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 2 is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube and so on. Here to find the particular integral of y double dash plus y dash plus y is equal to x square. Here this one can be written as f of d into y is equal to q of x. Here f of d is d square plus d plus 1. Q of x is x square. Here particular integral is 1 by f of d into q of x. Here this can be written as 1 by d square plus d plus 1 into x square. Here this one can be written as 1 plus d square whole to the power of minus 1 x square. Here by using the binomial expansion 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1 is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. That is 1 minus d plus d square plus d plus d square whole square into x square. Here x square d plus d square into x square d plus d square whole square x square. Here we have to differentiate it. X square derivative of x square is minus 2x, derivative of double derivative of x square is 2 plus double derivative of x square is 2, fourth derivative of x square is 0, third derivative of x square is 0. Your final result is x square minus 2x minus 2 plus 2. They both side cancel. The particular integral is yp is equal to x square minus 2x. Here find the particular integral of d square y minus 3dy plus 2y is equal to x. Here this can be written in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x. Here f of d is d square minus 3d plus 2. Q of x is equal to x. Here particular integral is 1 by f of d into q of x, that is equal to 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into x. Yeah, that is equal to 1 by 2 of 1 plus d square by 2 minus 3d by 2 into x. 1 by 2 of this can be converted into numerator, that is 1 plus d square minus 3d by 2 whole inverse into x. Yeah, by using the formula 1 plus x whole to the power of minus 1, yeah, that is 1 minus x plus x square into x. Yeah, that is 1 minus d square minus 3d by 2 plus d square minus 3d by 2 whole square into x. Here 1 by 2 of 1 into x, double derivative of x is 0, first derivative of x is 3, minus into minus plus 3. Yeah, this term goes to 0. Here the final result is x by 2 plus 3 by 4. Here in this application we discuss the combination of sin x and polynomial function, trigonometric and polynomial function. Here we will see the fifth derivative of y plus 2 into y triple dash plus y dash is equal to x plus sin x plus cos x. Here this one can be written as f of d into y is equal to q of x. Here f of d is d to the power of y plus 2d cube plus d. Q of x is 2x plus sin x plus cos x. Auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0, m to the power of 5 plus 2m cube plus m equal to 0. M is the common, m to the power of 4 plus 2m square plus m1 equal to 0. That is m square plus 1 whole square equal to 0, m square plus 1 is equal to 0. Here m is equal to plus or minus I, the 2 times repeated. Here m is equal to 0. Their complementary function is c1 e power 0 into x, e power 0 into x, c2 plus c3x into cos x plus c4 plus c5x into sin x. Therefore yc is equal to c1 plus c2 plus c3x cos x plus c4 plus c5x sin x. Yeah, this is the complementary function. The particular integral is yp is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. Yeah, that is 1 by d to the power of 5 plus 2d cube plus d into 2x plus sin x plus cos x. Yeah, this one can be written as 1 by d into d square plus 1 whole square into 2x plus 1 by d into d square plus 1 whole square into sin x plus 1 by d into d square plus 1 whole square cos x. Yeah, first term. Yeah, first we have to 1 by d is the integration of sin x is minus cos x, 1 integration of cos x is sin x. Here after simplification 2 into 1 by d into d square plus 1 whole square into x minus 1 whole square x square by 2 factorial 2 into 1 square cos x plus pi by 2 into 2. You are using this formula, that is 1 by b square plus b square all to the power of a cos a bx is equal to minus 1 all to the power of r x to the power of r by r to r factorial 2b square cos x into bx plus pi by 2r. You are using that formula, you have to simplify it, we are getting this result. Yeah, after simplification binomial expansion also used, that is binomial expansion is 1 minus x all to the power of minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2x plus 3x square. Using that formula we have to simplify the first term. Here after simplification we are getting the particular solution is yp is equal to x square plus x square by 8 cos x minus x square by 8 sin x. Therefore the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Yeah, that is y is equal to c1 plus c2 plus c3x of cos x plus c4 plus c5x of sin x plus x square minus x square by 8 cos x minus x square by 8 sin x.